Hi, I'm Dana Shea Williams with Danashay.com, and I want to share with you all 4 essential ingredients for a successful marriage. Now, lots of times people think marriage needs trust and honesty and open communication, and all of those things are true. But just like a cake needs one main ingredient in order for it to be a cake, and that's flour. Well, marriage needs love in order for it to work, but it doesn't only need love. There are 4 other ingredients that I think blended together will make a successful marriage. The first ingredient is that a marriage must have connection. If partners are not present, if partners are not intentionally working on their intimacy, that marriage is going to fall apart. Connection is utterly important. The second ingredient is communication. Most married couples think that they have a communication problem, or I actually think they have a connection problem. But with that being said, there are some best practices for communication that every single marriage needs. The third ingredient, the essential ingredient here, is commitment. Now, whether you're a Christian or not, commitment is important. But as Christian marriages, we take our commitment to the next level. We get married knowing that we are entering into a covenant. The word covenant is a serious word in the Bible, and God actually makes covenant with us, and He never breaks it. We as Christians should not have just as high, or God forbid, a higher divorce rate than the world. When we get married, it's not just a commitment. Marriage is a covenant. And then finally, the fourth ingredient is calling. There are so many couples who never actually think about if they're called to marry this person. And when things get tight, when times get rough, they don't ask themselves, wait a minute, am I actually called to leave my spouse? You see, when we know that we are called to do something, we know that it serves a purpose far greater than our own. So I want to encourage you today to remember these 4 essential ingredients, to blend them up like a cake, mix them together with love, and therefore you will have a successful, God-honoring marriage. You can learn more about me and everything that I do as a marriage coach at Danashay.com.